Today, we're talking wireless IFBs. That's interruptible foldback, or a wireless audio monitoring and queuing system. We're going to show you how to set one up using the Deity Theos system. First, use a cable to plug the DBTX or any transmitter into your mixer's main output or sub out. This will probably come out as a line level signal, so set the DBTX input to line. In our case, we're using a MixPre 3 which has a 3.5mm output called stereo out. This transmitter will serve as your IFB transmitter. Ideally, set it to a different frequency block from your actor's wireless microphones. Or if you must use the same block, tune it to at least 10 MHz away. Place the transmitter on the furthest outside part of your bag to maximize the distance between it and your main receivers. Try to keep at least a 20 cm distance to reduce RF interference. You don't want your IFB close to the receiver. This is a problem all wireless systems need to account for. If your gear allows, a better option is to place the IFB transmitter up on your shoulder strap or on your back. This places the antenna above your body mass, giving you maximum range and the best chances of avoiding RF absorption from your body. Certain brands of wireless might also require you to place the IFB transmitter on an isolated power source. For this, you'll want to use the SPD HR ISO. Once your IFB transmitter is set up, it's time to go over to your IFB receiver. In this case, we are using the Deity D2RX. You will need to match the frequency to your transmitter, which you may need to tune manually depending on your device. Now set the output type. Output A needs to be set to RX1 and output B to monitor. In the D2RX, setting your output B to monitor will mirror whatever is going to output A, but at a headphone level. You can also use the arrow keys when on the D2RX home screen to adjust headphone volume. Repeat these steps for every receiver you need to set up and then deliver them to your clients. Pro tip: keep a list of how many units you have out in the field and who they were assigned to, possibly making note of where they are on set. This will make retrieving them at the end of the day a lot easier. With that, your IFB system is set up. Happy shooting.